लो बच्चों, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि three different processes that can occur in a monoatomic gas are shown in the PV diagram. The paths are labeled as A to B, A to C and A to D. Right? तो हमें तीनों path given है. The change in the internal energies during the process are taken as EAB, EAC and EAD. And the work done as EWAB, WAC, WAD. Right? And the correct relation between these parameters are. ओके सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा दैट इज, जो पहला जो की कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा वो है इंटरनल एनर्जी ई इज व्हाट इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ टेम्परेचर ऑन, राइट? दैट मीन्स it depends on del t, that is change in temperature only. ओके, और सेकेंड जो कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पर लगेगा दैट इज वर्क डन in a PV graph is area under the graph. Okay. Now, path AB, in the path AB, the change in temperature is what? Is equals to T1 minus T2. Right? क्योंकि B का जो टेम्परेचर है दैट इज एट T1 और A का जो टेम्परेचर है दैट इज एट T2. नाउ ये जो दोनों ग्राफ है, दिस ग्राफ एंड दिस ग्राफ, दिस इज आइसोथर्मल ग्राफ, राइट? सो इस ग्राफ में हर पॉइंट में सेम टेम्परेचर होगा. नाउ in the path AC, change in temperature is what? It is also T1 minus T2. In the graph AD, the change in temperature is T1 minus T2 again. क्योंकि BCD is at same temperature that is T1 and A is at temperature T2. So इन तीनों पाथ में जो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर है वो सेम है. दैट मीन्स इंटरनल एनर्जी भी सेम होगा, राइट? क्योंकि इंटरनल एनर्जी सिर्फ टेम्परेचर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, राइट? दैट मीन ई ए बी is equals to EAC is equals to EAD, right? Now, work done is what? The area under the curve. So, path AB में area under the curve क्या होगा? That is this portion. Let's say this is V1 and this is V2. Now, V2 is greater than V1. That's the expansion process, right? So, W, that is work done क्या होता है? P into V2 minus V1, that is final volume minus initial volume. Now, V2 is greater than V1 in case of AB. So, WAB will be positive. Okay. Now, in the path AC, volume is equals to constant. That means work done will be 0. That means WAC will be 0. Now, in the path AD, now D का जो volume है वो let's say V0. So V1 greater than V0. That means final volume is less. That means it is a compression. So WAD क्या होगा? वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, राइट? दैट मीन दिस इज नेगेटिव. ओके, सो हमारा जो ऑप्शन ए होगा ये करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा. दैट इज EAB इक्वल्स टू EAC इक्वल्स टू EAD एंड WAB greater than 0, WAC equals to 0 and WAD is less than 0. Okay, hope you understand it. Just